What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro pairs, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, and Euro CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in all of these three instruments. Starting with Euro GBP. As you can see, Euro GBP on the lower time frame has given us a bullish price action. Starting first with monthly time frame to see which way the market is heading. Now we see that Euro GBP starting with this monthly time frame created a series of higher low on the monthly and then aggressively started to push up. This is a long-term bull market, and we see that Euro GBP started to push up in this direction, and we could potentially see further move on Euro GBP as there was a long week candle which has not been tested yet properly. Looking at the weekly time frame, we have seen on the weekly perspective there is a bullish engulfer has been formed. This is a very strong bullish engulfer in the direction of the major trend. Followed by today, as soon as market open, we have seen some bullish move, and we can expect now the price to continue to go up. Now, looking at daily time frame, we see that on the daily perspective, first of all, creating a double bottom here, the price has broken to the upside followed by a doji. Now, with that kind of bullish engulfer followed by a doji, it's a continuation pattern. As the long-term trend is supporting for a bullish move, we could see Euro GBP is going up in this direction on the lower time frame. Now, looking at intraday perspective, we have seen that in fact there is a bullish price action as well. There is a strong impulse, as you can see with this one, and with that impulse, the price created another bullish structure in this level triangular pattern, followed by a false breakout middleman. With that middleman, we have seen another bullish price action triangular pattern, and the price now has just broken out of this pattern. What we are expecting now on Euro GBP, at some point, the price to come back again, probably to break this low of this doji, which is highly likely to happen. If the price break this low of this doji, created a false breakout again to the downside from this level, we could find a significant bullish trading opportunity. According to the rules of our strategy, we will consider going long on Euro GBP with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at Euro JPY. Now, like Euro GBP, Euro JPY also showing some bullish move. If you look at the bigger picture, this is also long-term bull market. Starting with this one, there is a monthly middleman, strong impulsive move, followed by back to back every month. We see that in fact, Euro JPY created a bullish price action, followed by this one also a very strong bullish candle on the monthly as well, as you can see, with followed by a middleman. Previous months, this one starting from this level of support created another bullish candle. Now this month, the first week, we have seen significant retracement. Now the bulls are buying in this market. Long-term price action is bullish, so we can expect now Euro JPY as well to go up. Looking at the weekly perspective, we see primarily previous week a long weekly doji has been created, followed by this week as soon as market open. After a little retracement, we see that in fact Euro JPY is going up. We could see some bullish move on this one as well in this time frame, as long-term price action is bullish. Looking at the daily, we have seen that on the daily perspective, last day of trading week has created a bullish engulfer in this very important level of previous daily resistance turn support. As you can see in the past, this level acted here as resistance, resistance here, which is also support here. Now turn support and create this bullish engulfer. Today, as soon as market open, after little retracement, retesting this 20 period moving average on the daily, we see some bullish move. Now let's look at the entry opportunity on the intraday perspective. We have seen first of all a candle that is strongly bullish. It has in fact crossed previous sessions low completely, created a bullish candle followed by another strong wickless bullish candle. Now this session, which is closing after 2 hours 20 minutes, we see that the price is creating another bullish price action. So what we are expecting on this one as well, at some point we could see some backward move on euro to break this wickless candle along this zone to give us a potential bullish opportunity along the along this zone after a false breakout to the downside, we will consider going long on EURJPY with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at EURCAD, how it is doing. Starting with the monthly time frame, we see that on the EURCAD as well, previous monthly low is broken here. We see the previous monthly low completely broken, and then grab liquidity from here. We see some bullish move to the upside on EURCAD. As this is a doji, the previous month's candle, as you can see, and the price has broken the low of the doji, highly likely that the price will go up and test the high of the doji. So that means that the price action in the upcoming week is bullish. Looking at the weekly perspective, we see there is a weekly long week candle, as you can see, and this week the market opened with a gap with a weekless candle. What I think that, as you can see, after this impulse, this is a typical bullish price action. The price first broke to the upside, broke to the downside, now preparing for final move to the upside to trend in this direction. So EURCAD on the weekly perspective as well, we can expect now a bullish move. On the daily perspective, there is a pin bar which in fact has a huge liquidity. If you look in the past, the same level resistance here, turning support, and this one already grabbed liquidity and then closed as a long pin bar. With that said, today the price opened with a gap which is a kind of a strongly bullish price action. What I think that EURCAD is likely to be heading along this direction, and it looks like that the price will maintain this long-term trend line, and it is likely to continue to go up. Probably will hit the resistance level that can give us a really good trading opportunity in this direction. In the intraday perspective, we see already a price action that is bullish. We see a bullish engulfer with a gap opening, weakless candle, highly likely. What I think that in the upcoming session we could see some downward move. Probably will test this 20 period on the moving average when euro might get a little bit weaker for a short period of time, and in that moment once we will see the false breakout of the previous candles, if we see that the price action that you are looking for, will consider going long on EURCAD with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading these pairs. That will help others to know more from you. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.